right away the main difference I can see between the old model and the new model, aside from weight, is the wheels. It's 1000% humidity out here. This is how it goes in Florida. The new wheels on this one are better, but it does make this thing a little heavier, but they're better. These are like the wheels on the really expensive vacuum. So inside of this thing is where the baskets are. And it's just like the old one. There's 2 of these baskets. Oh, the pebbles hurt my bum. So this plugs in to this. Push it in, screw this on. The cord can go in the water. This cannot. So to make sure that it doesn't, tie a rope to it. This looks rusty trusty. Oh, my makeup. Ugh. Because wireless just takes forever to charge. Plug it in. Just plug it in there. The more expensive version, the battery takes like 8 hours to charge for about 90 minutes of use. I really like this vacuum because you get 1, 2, or 3 hours of use and you can just keep going. You can clean it forever. You can just keep resetting the power button. I don't know if it looks like it, but I'm completely drenched from the humidity. I kind of want to go in the pool with it, but I spent too much time on the makeup. Right now, it's really dirty. It was blue. Kind of looks green at this point. I had this stuff pressure cleaned, so a bunch got in there, which is exactly what I wanted because of this video. With the screen, this would have been too clean. What I'm trying to do is get all the air out of it before I turn it on. With the first one, it took a while to get it in there first time. And I think it had mostly something to do with the wheels. I think it did have to do with the wheels because the wheels are kind of like sponges. Touchdown achieved. It's at the bottom. I'm gonna go turn it on. And that's it. I love how it climbs walls. Before, after. Before, after. Yeah, it's still looking kind of green compared to my shirt. It's because a part broke on my pole and I had to wait a little bit to get it. And, well, it got green, but I can fix it in editing right now. Ta-da! Alright, let's see how it did. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot. Whoa. I can feel it. It's heavy. Not really sure how to get the vacuum out of the water. I used a hook I had from another vacuum, but I think it's supposed to, I don't know, stop in the shallow end, and then you grab it by the handle. I don't think you're supposed to pull on the cord, but there was no hook. Ooh. If you're interested in the vacuum, there'll be a link below in the video's description. If you don't know how to get there, just click on, like over here somewhere, there should be like a little arrow or triangle. Click on that, and there you go. And there I go. Bye.